we're boarding the streetcar here in Fort Edmonton.
Felix, yeah.
Anybody would play. This is fun. But we don't want to make Sasha mad.
You can tell the story now. Here we go. Was that you doing that?
Ah, very funny.
Let's try to hop on that train before it leaves. We're about to hop on the train. We have to choose our seat here in Fort Edmonton. Alright, we're about to depart on a train. He told me to come to car 304 because it was the best one. We walk to the caboose.
Just look in there from here.
The caboose. Right, there's the whole train. Because we have the whole car to ourselves. Let's move up the car. How do we get to use this room? Alright, there we go. There's the Canadian Northern. There we go, the mighty 107 here in Fort Edmonton. And you see it here only on the Star channel. Go from big trains to little model trains. I don't see it. She'll be coming around the mountain. Oh, way in the back. Okay. I see the train coming. Let's zoom in. Zoom in a little more. Do you see it yet? I don't see it. Oh, there it is. It's just past the town. Right there. See it? There it is. Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugga chugga choo choo. sign says, come again. Come again to our videos. See ya.